Beginners fail because they don't know where to click first. Watch this short guide, and you'll have your first Game Pass and PLs donate live in under 2 minutes. Go to the official Roblox website on a computer and sign in. Here's where the action starts. Click the Create tab at the top of the website. Keep watching. The next step is where game player accidentally go wrong. On a computer, go to the dashboard and select Creations from the left menu. Pay close attention. Click on your default experience. Then find the monetization section and select passes. Hit Create a Pass, give it a clear name, and click Create Pass. Click on your newly created pass. Select Sales from the left menu. Toggle Item for Sale to On, set your Robux price, and click Save Changes. Start with a low price to get your first buyers, then increase it later. Hit subscribe for more Roblox money-making tips. Next video, how to promote your pass for free.